Your body is constantly communicating with itself, even when you are resting or asleep. Trillions of cells exchange information every second, guiding processes like healing, recovery, energy balance, and overall function. You don't hear these messages, but they determine how well your body adapts to stress, repairs damage, and maintains stability. When communication is clear, the body works efficiently. When signals weaken or slow down, the body may struggle to respond as effectively. Peptides are a key part of this communication network, helping the body deliver instructions and maintain coordination at a cellular level. What are peptides? Peptides are short chains of amino acids, which are the fundamental building blocks of proteins. While proteins are large and complex structures that perform major physical tasks in the body, peptides are smaller and more focused. This smaller size allows them to travel more easily through the body and interact directly with specific cells. The body naturally produces a wide variety of peptides, each with a unique role. These peptides are involved in processes such as tissue repair, immune system communication, hormone regulation, metabolism, and cellular renewal. Without peptides, cells would not be able to coordinate their actions properly. Instead of acting on their own, peptides serve as messengers that guide cells on when and how to respond to internal signals. How they work. Peptides work through a highly specific signaling mechanism. When a peptide enters the body, it searches for a matching receptor on the surface of a cell. This interaction is extremely selective. Only the correct peptide can bind to the correct receptor, ensuring that the message reaches the right destination. Once the peptide binds to its receptor, it delivers a signal. This signal may instruct the cell to begin a repair process, adjust production of certain substances, or activate internal functions that support balance and recovery. After the message is delivered, the peptide's role is complete. The body then responds using its own natural systems. Importantly, peptides do not override or control the body. They provide information. The body decides how to respond based on its internal programming. C. Why they matter. Communication is essential for the body to function as a unified system. Every organ, tissue, and cell depends on accurate signaling to work together effectively. When communication is strong, the body can adapt, recover, and regulate itself efficiently. Peptides matter because they help maintain this communication. Their targeted nature allows them to support specific pathways without disrupting the entire system. This precision makes peptides an important topic in wellness education, where the focus is on supporting the body rather than forcing change. Peptides and aging. As the body ages, its internal communication systems naturally change. Peptide production may slow down, and cells may become less responsive to signals. This can influence how quickly the body repairs itself, adapts to stress, or maintains balance. These changes are a normal part of aging. Peptides are often discussed in educational contexts related to aging because they highlight how communication affects the body over time. Understanding this process helps explain why recovery may take longer and why maintaining internal balance becomes more important as the body changes. The process. The peptide process follows a clear sequence. A peptide enters the system, identifies the correct receptor, and binds to it. Once connected, the peptide sends a message to the cell. The cell receives the signal and responds according to its natural function. This response is not instant. It depends on the body's internal timing and biological systems. Because of this, peptides are associated with gradual processes rather than immediate results. Their role is to support communication, not to create sudden changes. Why people are curious. Interest in peptides has increased as more people seek to understand how the body works beneath the surface. There is a growing shift away from surface-level solutions and toward understanding internal systems and communication. Peptides represent a deeper look into how the body organizes itself. Learning about peptides helps explain why balance, timing, and signaling play such an important role in overall wellness. Peptides are a natural and essential part of the body's communication system. They help cells coordinate, respond, and function together efficiently. Understanding peptides means understanding how the body sends instructions, maintains balance, and adapts to change over time. This page is dedicated to health and wellness education. The goal is to share clear, informative content that helps explain how the body works and how different wellness topics fit into overall health. One of the areas we focus on here is peptides. This content is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or medical condition. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making decisions related to health or wellness.